Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The students, the parents, relatives and friends of the graduates of the Department of Law, Prime University. I, Muhammad Mustafizur Rahman, the head of the Department of Law, welcome and congratulate to all of you on Prime University's third convocation to be held on 22 November 2025 in China-Bangladesh Friendship Conference Center. Convocation is a matter of great expectation and prestige for university students. We have a dream of getting admitted into university that we will get convocation right after completing our studies. However, it is a matter of joy that we are getting the convocation even though it is late. I feel good that the convocation is being held in a befitting and festive manner by the university. Our students have left the campus a long time ago. We will meet them very soon and we will see them wearing gowns and caps participating in the convocation. Once again, advance congratulations graduates. Let us celebrate our achievements that are waiting for us. I wish all the very best. Thank you.